What capacity have I come today? I've come because Jitesh and Katika and the Filmfare team have called me. And I love cars. Who doesn't like cars?
तो कार में मतलब you want to be ridden by someone or you want to ride a bike?
Ouch. I would rather drive a car and a nice big Jeep. I like Jeeps. What is my favorite car? You know, I actually like Jeeps. If the Jeep could come to India, I would get a Jeep.
Okay, I just need your reaction. आजकल सर्जरी जो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी का बहुत बड़ा ट्रेंड है and actresses जो कर रही हैं, would you like to be like recommend?
I think
what's your reaction?
it's each to their own. I don't think anybody can be judgmental about it because this is a profession that requires people to look beautiful all the time. But it's each to their own. I don't want to comment on this because it's a very personal decision for everyone.
Aditi, would you like to be a Dhoom girl?
I am a Dhoom girl. Yeah? Just because I haven't worked in the film, it doesn't mean I'm not a Dhoom girl.
So any prospects for in the future of being
I have no idea. You ask them, na? How can I answer this question?
I will ask Aditya ji whether he would like. Thank you so much.
Thanks you.
Okay, tell us
It's a very
about this.
personal thing. Top Gear, well, I love cars, I love bikes, so that's what brings me here. And I'm very excited. I gave a very nice, interesting Kawasaki award. And if you're going to ask me my favorite car, well, my dream car is a Jaguar, and I hope I need to buy it someday.
Okay, एक reaction इस पे जाना चाहूँगी because आजकल जो प्लास्टिक सर्जरी बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा बना हुआ है. तो would you like to be like recommend और आपने कभी try किया
I
है?
think
और
God has made me pretty just the way I am, and I think one needs to accept oneself. But again, it's a very individual decision कि आपको with no direct whatever to anyone. But I think अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप you feel you're not perfect and you want to enhance something, I think it's a completely personal call. To me, what I believe is that जैसा भगवान ने आपको बनाया आप वैसे ही सुंदर हो. If he had to change something, he would have changed and sent it to you.
as an
that way.
actress could be experiment करना चाहेंगे?
No, not at all. Not with my looks. I'm pretty.
संतुष्ट हैं अपने आप से जो
जी हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल संतुष्ट हूँ अपने आप से.
अरे let him explain.
Okay, yes, please. Well, like I again said, no comments on that because it's a very personal thing, whatever happened between people, and I'm sure a lot of it, if that happens, is very consensual. So it's very odd that somebody just suddenly, comes out in 2 years and says,
Let us go. Yeah.
अरे आप बाहर ही आइए, हमको अलग से भी पूछना. आप बाहर ही आइए. लेकिन कैसा
किधर देख के बताऊं?
जहाँ भी अच्छा लग रहा है आपको.
सारे कैमरे आपके लिए लगे
हिंदी इंग्लिश
हिंदी
हिंदी हाँ तो कैसा था अंदर का एक्सपीरियंस वेरी नाइस स्टफ यार आई थिंक इट वाज वेरी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड और वी गॉट टू सी अमेजिंग कार्स right at the entrance and some of those cars are my dream cars. You can see a Porsche over there, you can see the Jaguar, so they're nice and so were the people looking dapper. Yeah, really interesting stuff. Met Aditi after a long time.
मुझे भी नहीं.
Louder? Okay. It was really exciting, good stuff inside. Got to see a lot of cars. There was a Jaguar, there was a Porsche, the few of my dream cars. Got big dreams and really honored to be here and very excited about giving the award, presenting the award to one of the favorite cars that I have.
पुलकित एक सवाल है आपसे जय हो में आप सलमान के साथ थे तो बताइए कैसा रहा ओवरऑल और कितना सीखा भाई से डर वर लगता था कभी शूट करते हैं
डर तो हमेशा लगता है यार. I don't enter at least 100 meters around him. I stay a little away from him, but it was really nice working with him because I learned a lot of things. It was, I think, a dream come true where he himself was teaching me how to do action on camera. So I think nothing can be better than that.
कभी डांटा आपको उन्होंने या कुछ
किस
ऐसे
चीज़ के लिए डाटा? मतलब किसी डायलॉग्स बोलने के लिए डाटा या किस चीज़ के लिए?
नहीं डांटा तो नहीं यार अभी तक. Thank
गुस्सा
God.
दिखाया आपको या प्यार से बात करते थे?
नहीं वो बहुत प्यार से बात करते हैं यार. वो गुस्से के दिन गए शायद उनके. He's a sweetheart.
जब भी आपको दो चार होना पड़ा हो
Casting couch, I have no idea about that, yeah, because I personally have never met a person who has been exploited by that, and I've never personally experienced something like that. But I think if it's about casting couch, it prevails in every industry, yeah, be it in corporates or be it in the film industry, it's just there. So.
आपका धीरे धीरे ना आपके मैनरिज्म आपकी
पोशाक सब तक सलमान साहब का परछाई चढ़ती जा रही है।
नेक्स्ट सलमान खान।
नहीं, पहले मैं 20 साल का कुछ काम कर लूँ, उसके बाद
आवाज।
पहले मैं भी उनकी तरह एक बड़ी बॉडी ऑफ वर्क बना लूँ, उसके बाद आप मुझे कुछ भी बुला सकते हैं. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट माई ओन नीश ओवर हियर एंड unknowingly I think the person that you look up to and really believe in him, I think I am picking up some traits from him, but those are the traits that stay internally, not externally, for
जैसे
sure.
आप माइक उठाते हैं, जैसे आप हाथ उठाते हैं, सारा मैनरिज्म
the way you
मतलब
talk.
आता जा रहा है आप पे।
Yeah.
आपने कभी गौर
एक कोई डायलॉग भी बोल दीजिए उनकी स्टाइल में, उनका ही कोई डायलॉग,
आपका
Even
रिएक्शन सब कुछ
Yeah.
आपके
कोई एक डायलॉग भी बोल दीजिए भाई जी.
पहले बहुत
यार ये
इसका जवाब दे दीजिए. चलिए.
ये तो पता नहीं यार,
आपने किया
मुझे मार, हे भगवान, नहीं 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 यार.
नमक.
इवन
Yeah, जी जी.
अरे ये सब बंदूकें लेके चढ़ गए मुझ पे. नहीं, it's nothing like that, यार. It's I just hope that I get the similar kind of appreciation that he gets. That is what one thing that I want to really pick it up from him, and I just pick up some good personality traits from him. Yeah, he knows how to say no to people. He's fearless. I just want to become that.
एक डायलॉग तो होता
तो बनता है भाई का यार.
ये ऐसे कैसे नहीं होगा यार, ज़ैक्टो बाबूश प्लीज यार.
भाई के स्टाइल में.
कौन सा, किसका डायलॉग?
इसी में जय हो का
आप पहले
भाई का डायलॉग
पूछ
चाहिए.
लीजिए.
आप कर लो यार.
अरे
Just tap your like.
यू वांट भाई का डायलॉग? भाई का डायलॉग मैं कैसे बोलूँ यार? मुझ पे तो अच्छा भी नहीं
जय
लगेगा.
हो कोई डायलॉग.
थैंक यू बोल के चले जाइए आप।
हाँ, मैं थैंक यू बोल के चला जाता हूँ यार.
नहीं सोता हुआ आदमी
सोता आदमी.
Yeah, actually that was a nice dialogue.
अरे पर वो उनका डायलॉग है यार.
अरे मैं बीच का बोला
चलो ओके
अरे बोलने दे रहा हूँ. क्या
यार, तुम मेरा डायलॉग सुन लो ना यार.
हाँ, अच्छा आपका डायलॉग भाई का स्टाइल.
और क्या यार, कमाल है. ओ तेरी यार यार. हाँ, उसके डायलॉग पूछो
हाँ, वो
यार.
तेरी
कौन
का
बोला है?
dialogue
थैंक यू.
भाई का स्टाइल.
Yeah.
हाँ, ओ तेरी के डायलॉग पूछ रहे यार. ओ तेरी में
गाना गा दीजिए चलिए बस।
हाँ चलो गाना गा देता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. You get me going crazy with your butt patlo. You get me going crazy with your butt patlo. We just launched the song today, so we just hope people like it.
Thank you and best of
Thank you so much.
Dada come.